Okay guys, today we have Asus Zenbook Pro Duo computer that I am going to change the battery. So this is the back side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws to remove. There is 2 plugs that we need to remove before we unscrew actually the screws. And this is T5 Torx to unscrew those screws. This is a battery. This is a part number, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Put this off Amazon, this battery. So this is a battery itself. All right. All right. Peel off this sticker. Just leave it here for now. And yeah, start unscrewing those screws that hold in the battery. Okay. Now I'm gonna have to remove 2 of those on each side and remove the speakers. Just put it like that off the side. Same here. All right. So now there is a few more tapes that I need to remove. And this one. Okay. Guess I'm gonna remove this completely like that out of the way, because I need access to this. All right, now I'm gonna try to lift the battery. There we have a few cables to remove here. Just like that. Okay. All right, after we free up the battery, we're gonna pull this plate towards the back. Just like that. All right. And now we're gonna try to remove the battery. you gotta make sure when you put in this connector, make sure you can lock over it, because that's what's holding this connector in place. So now I'm gonna put this sticker back in. It looks like everything working. So now I'm gonna charge the battery 100%, then discharge up to 10%, then charge again 100%, and then I'm gonna repeat this cycle 3 times to start the battery. And then for those that stayed and watched the video to the end, I have a little bonus. So this is the old battery of a laptop, and I peel it off the sticker just to see what's going on inside, and I wanted to show you and share with you. So basically it's a cells. This is a battery with a control board